Yema yekumbiala akwaba yeba Nzema today azo yedi yedi ka yekumbiala tekwake enne no sremo yemo eyemo avre da obiala kam yekanla Nzema today yemo se akpandu boboba yema awebiala te na se agbi ataze a yema gana ma boso tete anuma yenyale call yevre adoabo busman mo bi yemo kadeke court case bi mo ele kozo war Sekondi High Court Commercial Court but they one money after court many me ele comment bi na bisuzuke comment mo ele belemara tezo ha ne ye ahorizwe wo court mori anoma muti ye mabeda ko be adane na beda ko be zadene come on the mene ye mjanara mekadiju befre muti ye baba beda ko be adane na mo beda ko be le beka be kre gana makoso ti ona Nzema mara ba hana aweku biara oda ko ya de mo angba ohorosore ankasa eja akwaba
ajamakaku
akwakani anu
nyame adumo
ya da gada se eja komo mo bom dumara ba bo dumo here ba di avure o de me ani avure
yo befemi jamishia
eja amushia okay anuma every na every da uchi du yenyu ke be hol court la wotete wo internet anaka danya makwere ni aso wo ngban ma bi enru na idwaka bo beleke hara onke ke ohorele mutekreka da ko esene sorry so
mbaje medawa sanoko ne opportunity come of one man yeah die because now I'm letting the secretary to Awulae Amichia Kpanyili III.
Okay.
The paramount chief of the Eastern Nzema traditional area.
All right.
Na mekeke chieno ya titinyani bi wo sabi ngbanyi bianwa mo ndi mabobali bimbri abin ke bekawo arin wo Nzema manene na bedaba bo bele kai joke kama na dike ma no haru kumu in the court ka no kona yema aybi an kote ejoke mo la High Court Division Court kera oni joke mo between Awulae Amichia Kpanyili III here Berenja Kafranti more from Awulae Blade the night. That is not the case. Ejoke mo la before the commercial court lead the Republic versus Berenja Kafranti here Jobuzwani applicant ne yemale Awulae Amichia Kpanyili III. Let's case mali the Republic versus the Ranger Akafranti. Ex parte Awulae Amichia Kpanyili III. Let's only case mali between Awulae and the Ranger Akafranti. Unfortunately, yet Obuzwania.
Very well. Yara was a sumana war clarification of war yamo and yet one woman the case was between Awulae Amichia Kpanyili on Awulae Blade. That's all no zona what my clarification that yada was a sumana yaba so okay about what would you can any azo
Unfortunately, that was it. Na sana bad wazo na wedi avre ne ben mobile ne ona jobola ejoke mwane vili ejoke Awulae Amichia Kpanyili III va bole obahima abuima motos wansan ne the Ranger Kafranti more from Awulae Blade the night what the same commercial court kenny na mo nwa like Awulae Amichia Kpanyili nke idaya olomahia na sebelu kundum bayamwa debe diala idaya Awulae ide court na dienwa tesme diala leti zeti or the court had make a bebe injunction board the Berenja Kafranti and was okay or not then uni kundum mo bebelu adwambola na ohozo uli kundum ni na edoma the case my court sharia dila se jokela court abete kabete yale na be se wo with an injunction na eko ye tie mo court se mayela ta ba be kebegela keke wo to court mela ima wenzi ye contempt ni yaria nkoche se to bozwania
medi obokwa akpare
nkoche ngawasi na ejokene duazu de mo olekola ye Berenja Akafranti duale adane na oduadre mo wo mekemo court date the loan, which was on 22nd of June 2026. Na metetike miemo le kake court date bia wanwane kena bebe unala court date bia vindekeni. Nzema eva document ya mama mesendo. Let bo modena na kunye na mekani jua. Wama melmo beleti ye wo station kulekala. Bad no halomo unwa. On court record, date nearly 22nd of June 2026. Now mekani jula. Yeah, a lawyer mo we no man so oh court va sheke ganja ka plantain yama court law na amu no ala ke Edwardin wa America okuye ya Awulae Amichia Kpanyili III ba resolve ejekamo wala bevina na we visa se do benja ka plantain se do le Awulae ya anje te kuya Awulae mo be mo bele ka ke betula wa buchi na nje ke pare ene koya nje ke ye ene koya na be zizi bevina na Awulae ya jalo se judge Awulae Amichia Kpanyili mo bele kan jeka idemo na organic idemo na organic no le tindela and all the meeting of regional coordinating council that Awulae mo bele kan jeka bola organic that is say a lawyer kake Edward no pay Awulae Amichia Kpanyili III dia and no hali dia anyone uji kazo ye judge ni hanike ani elke bia mo benja ka fanti wo mo ofra Awulae blade the night la that say ejokani ale besi na ndeko have in the Ghana ke anabeboya maniala ye offer motion ke me count be no ke if I don't hear this idea what the judge name ke be machi nemu so yin bibie na o jejeria rabeshe ide chewa palia chere yo wa palu court ni na mentitike a inform obi especially na na mbenu say Awulae Amichia Kpanyili letter ba man benja ka fanti ke be yabuchi kupache no hali dia no ma
Aya, angam bema bizo zo and kunya na bobo. Ke na duzweti ye el secretary to Awulae Amichia Kpanyili na ohalele letter obebrare Awulae ble ke oyai wa America na Awulae ble mo ko yi ohola America na mo Awulae Amichia Kpanyili ya ngono dare Ghana ke na ke yan ele court ke Awulae nwe
ede magaku ede ke Miami jode da miss I mean that restaurant na kebla na be na wona hente ba o makwata ke diale makoko ke edila na wan de doga kani
yeah
mo do sabro ke mo be yo bachi mo ga mo wo mi wa bachi e kwa zo ba bachi na edani da bone di kokosi zo gun na bone a etim ko cha no ala bia ni wa
ma fa yo me biza be musu amomo be ladun abo ebia ne ati na be wadun abo ebia ne abo ma fa ya be wa America
na I don't oh me zimum bia ngbayin je wake so ke bu so do pele bu so pele bia ngbayin je wake mama me de be dia na me dem letting there according to the court proceedings they say I didn't was there mo do adre mo ya mo court na manela okay ya Awulae Amichia Kpanyili III America na ba heje kemo wala bevina na imam kweke mo bia mo leti wi akara mu ke no hali biala eni no
okay
no ade biala eni no na beka ke Awulae Amichia Kpanyili letter va man benja ka fantin biala mpache no hali bia ni no na mpache court proceedings mo va me send bobola kan de biala letter biala vinde before the court letter biala vinde before the court now no letting dala there is Awulae Amichia Kpanyili III his executive secretary. Elected Biale come from the Loma Menzea. But no harm like Merake, elected Biale and via office. Yan via master be a K or near Wabuchi. So they say, let there be a was one what by one Kenya, the publisher may be on. It made to one challenge Mamma Bay. Now, Benuni men. More than Hano be against the Mamma Bang no Amu Walla. Let to challenge Mamma Bay. I could be more letters on Walla, the publisher be on one letter. Say belling banging. Now, I can't educate come back, come more between best the come holiday and Walla. And it was an issue. He ordered Somaliala. Yet, I say, you be swimming ye said, yan dear book with your cabian boba. Yan expected, having been Mosebi. There's a Kangala, Kebebin de Lyon, back in Giacomo Quartanga. Ben years old Kabial. Sazin Julia left on that year, and Ben my other Jolene needs not no Halem. Because no Hale dear all the year. It's no clever can Giacomo Sebi or no Hale. Let it be a Nikazani.
Okay.
Let it be a Nikazani.
There are some Somaliala. Say there were Educamu boy, Toffan, Haramu, boy. Okay, let my idea of it on a Damadi Makakum Lintiala, Yade, case more la court, la ene Educamo, Bele Kana Bemuka, Yeka Yali, Bling, I could decode your mind, Nemum, or a contempt case, more Befalimitala, more Fare, Kundumo, Nukudi, Molile. What are the second delay?
I'm quite no honey allow.
Good.
Sebi, no one killed the Jacket. And I'm declaring say this or no idea. It can't be a zebra zero court proceedings. Yen zero court bubble, number has one jacket. Yen zizo. Now, Sabidoma, Bahama Begli, Elembama, Begli. Can be demand big case of a original House of Chief. Again, the instrument of Awulae Amichia paying the teller. Bangrazo to a demand Behele, Kebe, Baby, came a baby House of Chief. It's why would you could be House of Second, your Kibianike. Ben Hano Haren Begli and Nzema. One job can be demand big come about House of Chief against Awulae. Bangrazo to a baby can be House of Chief. Nakizone Chaki High Court Mobile Rebecca or no Libya. Mr. Red to not challenge Mamma Bay. Proceedings work more court and Jakekala, Beva Bivindi, Edmakaku, Meva Media Mistando, Belly de Gay Jenny, Nabefike over court Kenya, Beva Bivindi, Ellen Blemon won't be a K, and by Giacomo Court Harry, or Muanale at Talangome, Nzema.
All right. There was a Somaliala, war English more, Edocon, Wavawala. Kaya dri joki jeni, Edocon ma, yede joki jeni, Muchi, Yababo, and one modern. Come on, yes, court ruling in be and like court note in Biela. The Babiato to one any court note general Kubevindi, na Yamu, Nuhamo, Elecano Halana. Yada was a Somaliana. I can't would your I never may say Yamu Yabusua. Yeah, your case in one of Bakuna Zugula. The Mayajina no Harazo, na Yaha, na Azugule Era, Abuswenu, Kahane. Na, but the one woman on the Cabin went to the Manubuswelli. You don't tell a kind.
Edemakaku, I are Brandon Yala. Mendi Jakekala. This is a Bianelli Bia Nasabi, Babeshamio. My dream age Malaba, you to him, Fanandia, and Vemuzo, and Dubai William. Let me care said the on Zemo letter. Now, it demo more letting the la. O great capacity. Mobohan Jakekala. Sebi, in Bayuma bed in the woman Bushania, Mezibemua. This is Bia more than damage, not more bed in the Muala, Mezibemua. Nasebenzebo ba, Obahima, Abuima, Motors Ransa. Menanayaba, Ula. Menanayaba more or Willem Daminanala, Ula, Edolieja. Eda Yolieja.
Okay.
Let me welcome Mahan Doniala. Now, tell more Yelafia Meladenazo. Neatly, if you are dear Mala, welcome Mahon Wanton.
Okay.
Now, the right time.
Yo.
Who alleges must prove eti bedroom one.
Yo, yɛde wase soma ne ala kɛ ɛdere mɔlɔkɔ sɔrɔ la na ya wa nyɛ kɛ mɛri miɛ mɔ bɛ de bɛ tia ane bɛ kan kezi bɛ kure bi ala la na ɛdɛ kɔn yɛ nyama ne aso kɛmɛ ka bɛ tsitsi bɔ na bɛ turu la ɛdɛ wɔ ka nyama ne aso na ɛdɛ kɔn wa zɛne yɛde wase soma ne ala ezali bi ɛkyɛ ya dɔn ya ebe zi ayɛ o kɛ ni bi ɛkɔ mɛ sisɛ lɛ bi kɛ mo li ɛmɔ si a ɛma nsɛmɛ ma.
Yo, media magako, mpa chemko kame kanjwa kenyo bi ensa.
Okay.
Ana mavilani aso.
Okay.
Onwa ke ekala elembele. Na mezeke edayu obomo ye welembele la. Only of much concern ye muara. Because edemaka kundela Ghana gas lembelo. No kube funda omahin about the board nazula. All were confusion Katie. Bob Romain war inside Eva Bejo, Ghana Gas Board Nazwa. Say be said a confusion car. I'm unique will be an excuse anyway. But AGG Mwana, where can don't want here collecting the way TV. Now me Kendrick KG. Maybe I am full, no buy him my mobile elembere. K. Bijina el Camon no Hale Lala. Nasabenzia, Roma Henny. Imala Awulae Amichia Kpanyili III. On te kebe baba dena para zube du Awulae Amichia Kpanyili III la. On ma hini biara ni elkedia. Edemaka kumnole tendela. Regional House of Chiefs na Bizabe, who is representing them at the Regional Coordinating Council. The man here mobile because Elemble Sekia or Sekoma Yemuana. The Daba Big Boni Yoba Maboni. Ye be babu izumu to Kebeji. Na ye yad make imala bidi ben years of se bisi bagin ga chipta si atenia gibzaba ka oma hini dule kes betuye oma hini edule kes betuye na se be kwa be ba yi kanwa ni wia ye ba do aso pene.
All right. Yɛda wase soma ne ana sɛ ebi ɔkɛ bi ɛkɔ ne kane dia anamo ye bɛsɛ chuo na yehia wa ye bɛsɛ ayɛ ɔkɛ bi ɛkɔ.
Mpa chemda kunda wase soma ne ala.
Yo, bye bye.